their trailer of game. How will be this game will be? How this game will be? $45,000, 45,500. At that moment, I've told that the Bitcoin will be touching approximately. This will be the last dip in the Bitcoin. So hello guys, welcome to Crypto Stage YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well, guys. Today we will see the update on the Bitcoin, and we'll see some NFT that we can buy, and one NFT project I will be telling in which you can buy a land, and we'll be telling one project that can airdrop some tokens in the coming days. If they launch their native tokens, they can airdrop to us. So first, let's start with the Bitcoin first. Bitcoin is currently moving around at $50,800, and if we see in the 4-hour time frame, touching approximately around at this 200 MA line, and the Bitcoin has breakout from this area, that is from this area 48,400. It has retested this wedge, falling wedge, and from there it has shown some green candle, and right now it is showing accumulation. I have already told my own Telegram channel that on $45,000, 45,500, at that moment I've told that the Bitcoin will be touching approximately, this will be the last dip in the Bitcoin. At that moment I have to tell that from this area we can see a bounce, and from that area only the Bitcoin has bounced. And right now you can see, if we calculate the profit from here, it is approximately 12%. If you have used 5x leverage, then you approximately you have got 60% profit in the Bitcoin only. And in the metaverse coins, you have some metaverse coins have given more than 50% to 60% profit. That was suggested in my previous video. Right now the Bitcoin, the resistance for the Bitcoin is around at $53,000. We can see the Bitcoin can touch at this area, and the support area is approximately around this wedge only. The Bitcoin can touch around at $48,000, and from there we can see a pump, the next leg up. If we see in the daily time frame also, the Bitcoin is showing the Bitcoin can touch approximately around at 53 to 54,000. It can touch, and it can see some accumulation for till the end of the January month. In the beginning of the February month, we can see a leg up in the Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin dips, the altcoins surely will show dip. Metaverse coin will be surely dumping, so grab that coins when the Bitcoin will be dumping. So you will be having a good chance to grab some metaverse coins and some solid project coins like Uniswap, 1inch, and Bakecoin you can buy, Seller you can buy, and Compound I have already told my on my Telegram channel, and CHR Chromia you can buy. It is approximately, let's see, current price, it is around at 83 cent. It is around at 83 cent. It has approximately touch around at 50 moving average, and we can it is acting as a strong resistance for this. If it is crossing this resistance, then we can see the Chromia at new heights, that is 1.2. So when the Bitcoin will dumps, you can grab this CHR. The buy bid for the CHR is approximately around at 0.6 to 0.53. You can grab this CHR coin, and you can grab some Ethereum also. If you if the Bitcoin dips, the surely Ethereum will also dip. You can grab at this area $3,800. Place the stop loss around at this area, because it is moving in a upside channel. You can see that ascending channel it is moving. If it is breaking down from this channel, then guys we can see a serious correction in the Ethereum. It can, the first target for the correction in the Ethereum is around at $3,400. The next would be around at $2,800. We can see the correction in the Ethereum if this if Ethereum is breaking down from this ascending wedge. So just keep an eye on this wedge, this support line, that is this support line. Let me show you this support line. So keep an eye on this support line. If it is breaking down, then you can come out from the Ethereum. And for the metaverse coin, you can grab some let me see, you can grab some Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Illuvium, UFO, Blocktopia, Movex, CHR already told, Alice you can grab, YGG you can grab, already told many times in my Telegram channel and YouTube. Wilder World you can grab, Dalinia, Mines of Dalinia you can grab. So guys, now let's see the two projects that have been airdropped today. First project is TNS dot money. Those who have bought the TNX domain, when I told on my Telegram channel, I've already told on my Telegram channel that to buy TNS. Let me search when I have told. See, on 13 November I have told that you can buy this TNS domain. There was a airdrop, so those people who have bought at least $10 of worth of domain from this website, they have got 500 tokens. And if they have bought more than $30 worth of domains, they have got approximately $1,000. They can claim that tokens. So from this project you can claim 100,000 tokens if you have bought more than $30 worth of domains from this website. So I guess if we see the price of this token right now, let's see what is it is currently at $1.6. If we calculate currently 1,000 tokens, 1.6 multiplied by 1,000, it is approximately $1,600 you can see. And it has touched $2.2. So all-time high for this token is $2.2. So you can imagine the users have got 2,000 worth of free tokens from this project. Check if you are eligible for this airdrop. And the second project is the OpenDAO. This project has airdrop tokens to user who have done some transactions on OpenSea.com. If you have done some transactions on OpenSea, maybe 2 Ethereum, 4 Ethereum, if you have done some transactions on OpenSea, then this project is giving you free tokens according to the volume that you have bought on the OpenSea. If you have bought approximately 1 Ethereum, then it will be multiplied by 0.7, and it will be also calculating the number of transactions you have completed on the OpenSea. Then the total that would be coming the amount of tokens that you can claim here. The total tokens will be displayed here, how much tokens you can claim. Then after some figure will be shown here. Then after this you can claim, click on the claim button, and the tokens will be airdropped to your wallet. This is currently my wallet, but in this wallet you can see I am not eligible because I have not bought any NFT from this wallet. You can see I have not bought any NFT. But if you have bought any NFT from your wallet, you can click on this project and you can claim free tokens. So guys, if you have missed the TNS project that has given 500 tokens to 1500 tokens at free of cost to the users that who have bought the domain from the TNS, so don't worry, there is one more project that can give us a similar kind of tokens. That is, guys, Unstoppable Domain. You just have to buy the domain from this website, and maybe in the future they can airdrop the tokens to the users who have bought domain. How you can buy the domain is just copy the link that is given on my Telegram channel. I have given the link on my Telegram channel, or I will be giving the link in my YouTube video in the description. You can copy that link and paste here. Just paste here. Basically, it is my referral link. If you use my referral link, you will be getting $10 off discount. You will be getting a $10 discount. To become eligible for the airdrops, I guess you need to at least to do transaction of worth $40, $40 to $50 worth of domains you need to buy from the website. So if you want to know how you can buy, just search any name you would like to buy the domain. If I search crypto stage, like I search here crypto stage, let me click here crypto stage, and so let me search here. See, you can see cryptostage.x, it is available for the $100, but if I click here cryptostage.com, it is available for $40. If I click on the add to cart, but guys, use my referral link. If you are not using my referral link, then you will be not getting $10 of worth of discount, and maybe you will be not getting airdrop also. So, and after you sign up from my referral link, you will be getting $10 discount. You just have to buy this domain and click to continue cart. Here you will see your $10 credits. Right now here there are $40 worth of credits right now in my account, but here you will be seeing $10 worth of credit as you have signed up from my referral link. So you will be getting $10 worth of credit. So you just have to click on you will be getting $10 worth of discount, and here you will be seeing the $30 worth of $30 worth of transaction you have to complete. You have to click on the checkout, and after that you can check out with these 4 options, that is credit card, PayPal or cryptocurrency. I know many of you will use cryptocurrency only. So here I suggest you to use Litecoin only, because if you use Ethereum or ERC20 protocol, then I guess you have to pay a lot of fees. $10 to $24 is a gas fee for the Ethereum, so I don't suggest to use that. So I suggest you use only Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash, because the fees is very low. So I suggest you to use Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin, or you can use credit card if you don't want to use cryptocurrency. So this was the project that can airdrop us in the future. So the next project is, guys, big time NFT. This project is a gaming project, and recently they have announced some land sale on their website. So there is a big hype from this project, guys. Let me tell you. If you search big time NFT, you will be seeing one video on their big time YouTube channel. There you can see their trailer of game. How will be this game? How this game will be. So guys, are you seeing this amazing game where the fighters are fighting with other players, and if they kill the other player on the game, they are earning some NFTs that is rare. You can see this, collect rare NFT loot, and this NFTs can be sold on their marketplace. If I click on here, there is a market on this, where you can sell that loot items that you have earned while killing other players on the game, that you can sell on this open market. So guys, there was a land sale day before yesterday. There was a sale. Usually on this game, the land is considered as space here. So there was a sale of land. Basically there was a three sizes of land, small, medium, large. So you can see the prices of land sale. Currently the small one was around at $300, and right now it is at 480. This big large space land was approximately at approximately $1,000 or $1,100, I don't know, but right now it is at $31,000 because this land is very limited NFTs are there. You can see that these land are NFTs. As you have seen the sandbox game, guys, where the land are selling around at minimum price is $11,000, which was around at, I guess, where when there was a sale, it is approximately $50 to $100, and right now it is around at 11,000. So imagine how much big hype is there in metaverse, how big this trend will be in the future. So we are still early in the metaverse in this land, so you can buy this land. Why I am bullish on this project is because if you see the team members of this game, the all the team members are from big gaming industry. If you see this, the he's from Decentraland.org, he's from social games at EA Games, he's from Gears of War and War of Warcraft, Gears of War, Fortnite. He is from lead artist from Fortnite, and he's lead level designer from the Call of Duty. Those who play PS4 games, they know who for which games are these. And League of Legends, he's from League of Legends. And guys, the team is from big industry, gaming industry, so imagine how big this game will be. So these NFTs, these characters, there will be a sale of these NFT characters also in the coming time, so I will be updating you time to time. You can see weapons, these will be these can be the collectible items that can be looted when the player kills other person in the game. They can be looted, and these items can be sold on their market, open market, where the other person can buy this, and the person who buys this weapon, they can kill other person more and more. If you kill the other people in the game, players in the, they earn more items, they can earn more tokens. So this is the whole idea of this game. This project will be big. If you want to buy this space, this land, you can buy from their open market, because the all the lands are being sold day before yesterday, and now some, if you want to buy a small piece, you can buy this at this price. If you want to buy big land, then you have to invest big amount. If you see this rare large space, that it is around at $2,300. If you have such kind of money, you can, if you can invest in this, then you can invest. But before investing, do your own research in whatever project I tell you. Just do your own research before investing. Then guys, next project is this Midnight Breeze. If we see on OpenSea.com, the current price the floor price is 0.042. You can buy right now on the OpenSea. If you see, if we click on their website, this is their website. Basically you can see, you can check out the whole website, whole project on this website, that is midnightbreeze.io. Basically this is the road, and guys, this is the seed project, mainly the main project that is created by Dustide. If you see on Twitter, you can see his Twitter handle also. If you see his follower, he is being followed by big players, guys, big players, Ricket Studio, Musk Network, OpenSea, Sandbox. So imagine how big this project can be in the future. He's also launching Tidal Estate in the upcoming days. You can see is the main project by Dutch Tide and will be revolutionize the market through the creation of interactive apartments. More to be announced. They will be announced soon. So you can see that Tidal is a interactive interior design metaverse focus on the creating an immersive experience for user and give true utility to their NFTs. Artists, collectors and investor can decorate, collect and stake their heart away in a Dutch Tide curative metaverse. So they will be giving the some advantage to the beginner holders of the Midnight Breeze to their upcoming NFTs, that is Tidal Estate project. Maybe they can announce that if you are holding the Midnight Breeze, then you can mint the Tidal Estate at free of cost. So these project can be big because guys, this person is being followed by big entities. So guys, you can buy this if you want. You can buy this NFT, but before buying this NFT, guys, I'm again saying do your own analysis while buying any coin, any project that are told on this cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Before investing, again and again telling, before investing, do your own research.